Okay, good afternoon, guys. I will read about a little boring text about my profession. I work for a company that do a lot of plastics for automotive. So this is very easy to me, but it's quite boring for the, how can I say, the general.
Yeah, the regular person.
Regular person, okay? I hope you don't sleep during this job. Plastic, a bad or a nice guy? For the last 30 years, we have seen the use of plastic parts in every sector of our lives. Over time, metal parts have been consistently replaced by plastic. What is the reason for that? Weight reduction, better quality properties, low-cost production, many recycling possibilities, etc. So why is plastic in the top 5 list of environmental activists' worst enemy? Tem que dar umas corrigidas no meio.
Tudo bem. É isso que o prof faz, vai.
In order to learn a little more about plastics, we need to have a wider understanding of it before we can draw any conclusions from it. Engineers classify plastic in 3 different categories. Number 1, plastic for consumption, plastic bags, straws, toys. Number 2, medical parts, medicine bottles, gloves, masks, syringes. Number 3, engineering parts, instrument panel, audio system, interior finishing, structural parts. What is the first thing you notice when you watch Discovery Channel and they are showing documentaries about environment problems? 90% of the time you will see plastic bags, cups and straws in the water or on the streets. That is why many countries in Europe have substituted them for eco-friendly products. According to the Plastic Tides, a non-profit organization, you can avoid throwing lots of plastics in the oceans, switching them by reusables. In my concern, these problems are more related to a cultural problem instead of a technological one, because all these plastics are 100% recyclable. If we look at an engineering part, or even at a medical part, the environmental problems caused by them is less than 5%. Monte de número aqui, né? Okay. Take cars, for example. We demand plastic parts to improve performance and reduce costs. Today, plastic parts make up 50% of the volume of a car, which is less than 10% of its weight. Even in an automotive market or in the medical field, we can see good practices in terms of recycling, and a lot of policies put into place for processing and wasting of plastics. So the point is, what is it that has to be done to plastics once it becomes disposable? Isso aí foi foda. In principle, almost all plastics can be recycled. However, in practice, there are a variety of different barriers that can undermine this process, such as a huge variety of types of plastics are hard to separate and classify. Plastics can often be contaminated by food or chemicals. Recycling facilities cost millions of dollars to build and operate. To sum it up, plastic recycling is not a common habit in many countries, and most of the time people do not even know how crucial proper plastic disposal is. Governments around the world should keep investing in low-cost innovative ways for plastic recycling while promoting and raising awareness to people. Thank you, guys.
Aê!
Thanks.